If I had to put my finger on one tool or system that has had the biggest impact on my business's success, I would have to say YouTube. Not any sort of software that I pay for or my website or anything like that, but YouTube itself. It has really enabled me to grow my audience incredibly easily and powerfully and grow my brand and attract thousands of paying customers. And I would use YouTube even if they didn't pay me a penny. But YouTube has also an incredible monetization policy where they allow creators to earn 50% of the ad revenue that is generated by YouTube and earn money in several other ways on the platform as well. If you're interested in learning how to make money here on YouTube, whether just to be your side hustle or to be your full-time thing, then in this video I'm going to explain the entire process to you, including the eligibility requirements for the YouTube Partner Program, how the YouTube Partner Program and monetization work, what you need to comply with to make your videos eligible for monetization, and how YouTube actually pays creators who are part of the YouTube Partner Program. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of exactly how to get monetized on YouTube, let's be really clear about exactly what it means to be monetized. So basically, being monetized means that your channel is eligible to make money on YouTube. To get monetized on YouTube, your channel has to join the YouTube Partner Program, also known as YPP. There are certain eligibility requirements that we're going to talk about in a few minutes, and then you have to sign up to join the program. Once you are in the YouTube Partner Program, then you have about 5 different features that you get access to that are 5 different ways to earn money on YouTube. So what exactly does joining the YouTube Partner Program get you? Well, it allows you to monetize or make money from your channel in several different ways. The first way is called channel memberships. This allows your subscribers to become paying members of your channel, paying somewhere between $5, $10, $20 every month to get access to additional benefits like extra videos or early access to your videos. You also get access to a feature YouTube calls shopping that allows you to sell products below each of your videos. The YouTube Partner Program also allows you to use Super Chat and Super Stickers. These are specifically for when you're doing a live stream. Your subscribers can pay a small amount, perhaps $1, $5, $10, or more, like $20 or $50, to have their comment on your live video boosted and highlighted so that you're more likely to notice it and acknowledge it. Then for all the regular videos, not live streams, there's something called Super Thanks. It's basically the same thing, allowing your subscribers to pay to have their comment boosted and highlighted. And then we come to the real meat and potatoes of most YouTube creators, ad revenue. So as you're probably already aware, there are ads on YouTube. They play during the videos, they show next to the videos. Whenever someone clicks on one of those ads, the business that put that ad on YouTube pays YouTube a certain amount. It might be 10 cents, it might be $5, and then YouTube turns around and pays the creator who made that video that the ad was posted next to 50% of that money that they just earned. And then finally, joining the YouTube Partner Program also allows you to earn from YouTube Premium revenue. Now, this is kind of similar to ad revenue, except it's for people who are YouTube Premium subscribers. YouTube Premium, also formerly known as YouTube Red, is where you pay what is currently about $12 a month to not have any ads on your YouTube account or while you are watching YouTube videos. But creators still make money even when YouTube Premium subscribers are watching their videos. So now let's talk about how you can get access to all of these different monetization features. To do so, basically you have to join the YouTube Partner Program. And joining the program is actually pretty simple. Your channel only needs to meet 3 criteria. The first is that your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. Second, your channel has to accumulate 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. By the way, if you feel like 10 million shorts views is a lot, I totally agree with you. But anyway, one of those 2 things. And then third, your videos need to be generally compliant with their guidelines for advertiser-friendly content, as well as the community guidelines and the AdSense program policies. We'll talk more about all of those different requirements for your videos themselves a little bit later on in the video, but those are are the 3 basic requirements: 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views, and that your videos are compliant with their content policies. Now, as I was talking about in my video last week, YouTube has recently expanded the YouTube Partner Program, and so now there is the opportunity to join the Partner Program and get access to some of those monetization features before you reach those thresholds. Specifically, they now have this new lower set of thresholds of 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, meeting those community guidelines and those content guidelines, again, more on that in a couple minutes, and having at least 3 uploads within the past 90 days. If you meet those thresholds, then you get to use channel memberships, you get to use the shopping tab, at least for selling your own products, and you get to use super chat, super thanks, and the super stickers. But what you still can't do until you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours is earn with ad revenue or earn the YouTube premium revenue for people who are watching your videos with a YouTube premium account. Now, I have quite a few thoughts about this expansion of the YouTube Partner Program and why it's good for creators and also not so good for creators. So if you haven't yet watched last week's video, make sure to check that out, especially if right now you are a small creator, you haven't yet reached these monetization thresholds, and you're wondering if you should apply for monetization early or not to get access to those first features. So once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, then you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program and get your channel monetized and start earning money. So the process is actually pretty simple. What you want to do is go into YouTube Studio, and inside of Studio, you want to navigate to the Earn tab. And so it's going to be on that side menu, just click on Earn. Now later, once your channel is monetized, in the Earn tab, you're going to find all sorts of like data about how much your channel is earning, as well as the ability to like turn on and off different monetization features. But right now, this is your hub for getting monetized. Inside of the Earn tab, you're going to find a button that says Apply. So you just need to click on that button to apply. And what that is going to do is it is going to prompt you to sign the terms for the YouTube Partner Program. The second part of that process is to create an AdSense account. AdSense is the actual system that runs the ads. So yeah, you need an AdSense account, and don't worry because the application process is going to prompt you to create that AdSense account, or if you already have one, you can link it at that point. And then the final part of the process, it's a little bit anticlimactic, but is just to wait. You have to wait for about 1 month for YouTube to review your application and either accept you into the program or reject your channel. Now, if your channel has met the eligibility guidelines and your content is compliant with the advertising policies, then most likely your channel will be accepted. What the actual acceptance process looks like is first there is a computer review of your channel to see if you have met those basic requirements, and then a human also reviews your channel to see if your content is compliant with advertising policies. Once your channel has been accepted, they'll send you an email to let you know, and also inside of the YouTube Studio in that Earn tab, while your application is underway, you will see something that says that it is in progress, and then once it has been reviewed, you will see the results of your application and whether or not you were accepted. So YouTube has these 3 different sets of policies that govern what is good content on YouTube, what can be monetized, and what might make your channel eligible or not eligible for the YouTube Partner Program itself. The first one is community guidelines. These are guidelines that everyone who's posting videos or even just using YouTube is supposed to follow. They include things like no fake engagement, so no buying subscribers or buying views or paying people to comment on your videos, no harassing people, no spam, no sexually explicit content, no violent content, all those sorts of things. The second set of guidelines is called the AdSense program policies. This specifically has to do with whether or not you are technically eligible for the YouTube Partner Program and for earning money with ads. And these policies mostly have to do with making your own unique creative content, rather than just stealing other people's content and posting it on your channel. Now, you'll want to read these policies for yourself, but in short, they say it's generally fine to use clips from other people's videos in your videos as long as you're making your own video. video. But if you're taking someone else's entire video and just changing it a little bit, like speeding it up or something like that, or if you're posting the same video over and over again with just minor changes, then that isn't gonna cut it and you won't be eligible for the partner program. Okay, and then the third set of policies that you have to comply with are the advertiser-friendly content guidelines. So these are guidelines that any channel that wants to earn from ads needs to comply with for each individual video for that individual video to be eligible to earn from ads. So these guidelines have to do with things like not making very controversial or violent content or encouraging people to do bad things and other related issues. Now, when you're getting your channel monetized and someone is reviewing your channel, they're going to check and see if the majority of your videos are compliant with these advertiser-friendly content guidelines. If most of your videos are compliant, then they will monetize you even if some of them aren't. But if most of your videos are violating these guidelines, then they're not going to monetize you since most of your content wouldn't be eligible for monetization. Once you are monetized, each individual video is going to be evaluated. Now, I believe that this video by video evaluation is not done by a human, but just by a bot. But if it thinks that a video has some of these issues that would make it not advertiser friendly, then it might be demonetized, at least until it is subject to human review and found to be, in fact, friendly for advertisers. So as you can see, YouTube has quite a few different guidelines and policies when it comes to what content you can and should post on YouTube and what content is eligible for earning with ads. You do not have to 100% comply with every single nuance of these guidelines. For example, there's a guideline that says that you shouldn't use vulgar language for your video to be advertiser friendly. Now, clearly that doesn't mean that you can't swear on YouTube at all. We've all heard people swear in YouTube videos, even videos that were monetized and had ads on them. So you'll definitely want to review these policies and guidelines for yourself because some of them are big issues that are very black and white, and YouTube definitely will not allow you to post videos about those topics, or certainly not to join the YouTube Partner Program or have your videos monetized if they have these issues. Whereas others of them are more like recommendations and guidelines that you're supposed to generally comply with, like no violent content or no swearing. Once your channel is accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, your videos can be monetized and you'll start earning money from your videos every single month. Now, YouTube will pay you once a month. They'll either send you a physical check or they will initiate a direct deposit into your bank account. And you can choose which of those two options you want. Now, something important you should know is that you won't necessarily get a check from YouTube the first month your channel is monetized. And that's because YouTube pays out once you reach at least $100 of earnings. So if in the first month after getting monetized, your channel only earns $50 or $60 or $70, you won't get a check yet. You have to wait until you reach that $100 threshold, and then YouTube will mail you your first check. In my case, this YouTube channel got monetized about 3 months after I started posting consistently on it. And once it got monetized, I did get a check the very next month. And that's actually pretty common. It's not very unlikely that you will get a check that first month, because once you reach those monetization thresholds of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your channel is already starting to grow and you're starting to get enough views that you will be earning a couple $100s a month in pretty short order. So in month 4, 1 month after I got monetized, I got my first check. It was for $113. And then from there, I got a check every single month, and each month the check just got bigger. And they actually got bigger quite quickly. They basically doubled every month until it got up to about $5,000. And then it leveled out. And ever since I reached that $5,000 benchmark, which was about 2 years after starting the channel, I've earned about $5,000 to $10,000 every single month from ad revenue alone. So there you have it, everything you need to know about how to get monetized on YouTube. If this is something you're working on right now, I wish you all the best. I hope that it goes really well for you and you were able to get your channel monetized really quickly. If you have any questions about how to get monetized, honestly, don't ask me, because the best place to go for information about these specifics about how to get your channel monetized is YouTube's help docs themselves. So I'm going to link down below a few of YouTube's help docs that you you can look at if you want to know the specifics of those community guidelines, of the advertiser-friendly content guidelines, and all of that sort of thing. On the other hand, if you have any questions about how to grow on YouTube, about YouTube strategy, about how to get your channel to 1,000 subscribers and get it monetized as quickly as possible, then ask your questions down below. I would be more than happy to help you out. And to that note, if you have not yet watched my free workshop called 3 Secrets to Reach 1,000 Subscribers and Get Your Channel Monetized in just 3 months, then make sure that you sign up now. Like I said, the workshop is free, and it's an on-demand workshop that we have several show times of every day. So you can sign up now and watch it today if you want, or schedule it for a future day. But I know that that workshop is going to really give you some insights into how to grow your channel as quickly as possible and how to start earning money on YouTube as quickly as possible. Now, up next, if you haven't yet watched last week's video about kind of my rant about these new partner program eligibility opportunities, then check that one out right now. Or if you've already watched that one and you're interested in learning about other ways that you can earn money here on YouTube, such as by selling digital products, then check out this video right here.